Siglent's new SDS6000A series of 4-channel digital storage oscilloscopes are high-end instruments with bandwidths of 500 MHz, 1 GHz, or 2 GHz with a sample rate of 5 gigasamples per second on each channel, a large memory depth of 500 megapoints, and the option to add 16 digital channels to provide synchronous mixed signal analysis ability. This new series features Siglent's latest SPO technology with a maximum waveform capture rate of up to 170,000 waveforms per second, a 256-level intensity grading display function that includes a color temperature mode. The large 12.1-inch capacitive touchscreen display supports multi-touch gestures to greatly improve operating efficiency. These scopes also support mouse control and remote web control over LAN. You can see more details here.